welcome to Leixlip. I'm going to have a quick look at this walkway down here. See what's going on. As you can see, a lot of people viewing my channel are not subscribed. It would be super cool if you could subscribe to my channel. It costs absolutely nothing. You don't get that for nothing in the world. And if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe. It would be just cool to help the channel go. So if you're feeling kind and generous and want to give your thumb a little bit of exercise, click that subscribe button. It's a nice calm river. I think that's the River Liffey, actually. Oh, there we go. Bring it down here. Don't know what it is. Sometimes my camera starts off up higher. So this is Arthur's Way. Yeah. Now the Brewin legacy began. So apparently this is named after Arthur himself. It's very nice. And this is the thing about the little villages. They always have flower pots and stuff around. And I'm not going to do this walk. I'm just going to have a quick little gander. Looks like there's an old wheelhouse or some sort of structure down here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a very cold morning, so I don't want to fall in. You should be able to see the structure there, probably at the back. Maybe, yeah. Be interesting to find out what that is and if that's visitable. And we have a church in here. So I'm parked in behind the Spar. Sorry, I'm wearing a mask because it's cold this morning. And I was talking to a lovely dear old lady. So we are in the village of Leixlip. It's about 15-minute drive, 20-minute drive from the city centre, depending on the time of day. And we're just going to do a quick little loop around. So, as with all these little villages, you have your main street and then you'll have your suburban houses around. I think this is like the corner. The corner before the corner of the end of the main street. That's the end of it there, but it's a quaint little town village, you know. The middle shop, I think that's a pub. They have like even a little taxi place. Like even the townhouses are still on the main street. Then you have a laundrette. Have just another quaint house, solicitors. Bernard Owens, which looks like suit attire, clothing. Have someone beeping their horn on a Sunday morning. And you have the opticians. You know, all the cars going by don't make it a quaint little town anymore. You have independent coffee, you have bookies. Seems to be opening up fairly early. And then have a little pub. Seem to have a beer garden here. Ooh. A nice big fancy beer garden. Would this be the place to go on a Saturday night if you're in Leixlip? Don't know if that place is open or closed. Town. Yeah. Collection only. Yeah. There's a little place that's open. If anyone wants to come over and open a little shop, a little village. There's another one, a little small one. Trying to get this. I don't know if you can see in there. It's just like a long little thing. Nice for a little shop, boutique. Probably a little coffee shop. They're selling trinkets. I can't believe you just have me walking up this hill now on a Sunday morning. Right. So I'm gonna walk up part of this. Right, we have the bank, hair salon, pharmacy, hot bread confectionery. This is a hill of hills, alright. And you have the vet. Some sunflowers. Leixlip Hotel. I think I was here either for a wedding or picking someone up from a wedding. Looks familiar. I think I picked them up because I don't get invited to weddings that often unless it's the photographer. That's the hotel right there. Right, so sorry about the sun now. And we'll come back down. Looks like nice little log cabins on the top of the village. Cross over here again. Walk down and complete this. Cross the bridge. Ah, so there's a heritage trail. Let's see. If you want to pause and read up on that, should be good. Let's see. Should be a good angle there. Right. So, it's the top of the village. Chinese takeaway. Interiors. Carpet cleaners. What do you expect? Well, you gotta have a base somewhere. Macquarie 101. No idea what that is. Then you have benches. Then you have a little parking lot. So looking like transport is a parking lot with cars. I think there is a train station close by, I think. But you know, I'm not seeing actually many bus stops, which is unusual. But I suppose it's a small little village, there's not many places to go. There's a Leixlip Spa, there's libraries up that way, Brewery Way. So if you're fond of your beer and you want to pay tribute to Arthur, do the Arthur's Way and just stop off and have a Guinness on the way back. We have another place for let. And then what do we have there? We have Apache Pizza, dry cleaning, and O'Hagan Fashions. Right, then we have the AIB barbershop. Right, let's see what else we have. Ah, there we go, there's a bus stop. Right, so the 66 and the 68 come from Merrion Square. That will drop you to here, and then you have also the airport hopper, but that's usually just from here to the airport, so that would be null. Right. Sorry about the sun, it looks like that's going to glare up a bit. It is early and the clocks went back an hour last night. Is it the 1st? No, it's the 21st of this October. So it's Halloween today. So I don't know what the traditions are in your country, but here it's usually a bonfire, fireworks. The kids dress up and go out and get some sweets. Iconic little cottage with the fire going. It's very beautiful. Down there just looks like more housing. I do want to go this way because there's I think it's a pub over this way. Right, so we have another solicitor's, barbershop, and real estate. So we'll have a quick little gander here, shall we? Steamed up a bit this morning. So celebrate. I'm seeing prices. I'm not seeing any prices there. That's not a good sign. And there's accounting and bookkeeping, income tax returns, payroll services. Well, if I get me 20 million subscribers, I'll probably have to contact them for all the money I'll be making. So I've driven in here plenty of times because Intel is out here and my brother works there, so I used to drop him out. And I always found this village very beautiful as I walked in here. So I have to cross the road here so I don't die. But it always struck me coming down the road to this. Now I'll be coming the opposite way as I'm coming now. That makes sense. So I'll be coming down, and you'd always kind of see the bend there, and you'd see some flowers set up, and this nice little. I think it's a pub. Yeah. Salmon Leap Inn. And then you see all these flowers. This makes it look nice. And then you have the river there, the River Liffey. She's flowing heavy now because it's been raining a lot lately. Not too crazy, we're used to that kind of rain. I'll get the other side on the way back. And during the summer this place always looked busy. You know? So I'd say they have nice service. You know, like the building looks fairly upkept. The bike there. O'Shea's Leap Yard. And there we go, there's an iconic. That's probably my thumbnail there. Leak slip with the telephone, the old telephone. If you watch my previous videos, you've probably seen one of them in Enniskerry. And then the toilet for, oh, that's the smoking area. Right. And there's the pub there. Very nice and quaint and And look, now obviously we can't go in there because it's early on a Sunday morning. Pubs don't open till 12 on a Sunday, I believe. Right, I'm going to finish the video here now in a second. I just want to get this final little look of the River Liffey heading in towards Dublin city centre. So yeah, you have the 66 and the 68 will get you out here. Probably shouldn't take more than 40-45 minutes to get out here with public transport. It's a nice little quaint village, couple of pubs to visit. There's the walkway to go over. And look, there's 2 plastic chairs down there for you to sit on. They've got your name on it. Right. And then we get the wide berth of the river leading off, heading into Dublin. And I'll end the video there. Like, subscribe, comment, share, please, everything. You know yourself.